Hey everyone, welcome back to our honeymoon series where we island hop through the breathtaking islands of Hawaii. After exploring some incredible places, we have finally arrived at our last stop, Oahu.
Oh yeah, this way.
How do you know?
Google Map.
Thanks, Google. First up, hiking, my husband's favorite activity, so of course we had to check out Manoa Falls. The trail was absolutely stunning, lush greenery, towering trees. It felt like something out of a movie, but we kinda got lost. Is this the end? Luckily, we met a local hiker who helped us find the way, so we just followed them along until we were on the right track. Oh boy, what a hike it was!
Mama, we're scared. Just take a look at it.
We finally made it to the waterfall, and oh my gosh, it was absolutely stunning. The moment we saw the water just pour down into this lush green forest, it felt like the hike was totally worth it. Next, we took on another hike, Koko Crater, and this one was rough. First of all, there is a training range nearby, so the whole way up we kept hearing loud sounds. Kinda ruined the peaceful nature vibe. And to make it worse, this hike was steep. Like legs on fire, why am I doing this kind of steep? And the view at the top, honestly not that great. If I had to do it again, I wouldn't.
I know. Now, this is it. Yeah. Woo!
After that painful hike, we needed something chill, so we headed to the Dole Pineapple Plantation, and turns out we need a reservation to do the full tour. Yay, we didn't know that, but we still had fun just wandering around, checking out the little shops and eating fresh pineapple, which by the way was delicious. For our last stop, we spent the evening at the Polynesian Cultural Center, and this place was amazing. It showcases the culture of 7 different Polynesian islands. Each one has its own unique traditions, dances, and history. One of the coolest things we learned, Hawaii offers scholarships to students from these islands so they can come study here, and in exchange, they work part-time at the center, sharing their culture with visitors. I love that this place isn't just a tourist attraction, it's actually helping preserve and pass down traditions while supporting students from these communities.
So are you enjoying our weather here?
Oh yeah.
That's what a lot of people from Texas have told me. They're like, this isn't even hot. This feels great. Yeah.
It across in or hair, let it fill all the way to the top, let it sit for about a week. The oil will then rise naturally on its own as the milk spoils to the top. You take that oil, boil that, throw in naturally, you throw in sweet scented flowers, the gardenias. This is called mokosoi behind us, it's not blooming right now. Throw that in, you boil it, you mix it. A nice clear color comes, you collect it after it cools, and this is what you get. Coconut oil, 100% natural oil.
Got to cruise through the villages by boat, watch incredible traditional dances, learn about island history and customs, and even see how coconut oil is made. We didn't expect to spend so much time here, but we got so caught up in everything. It was just beautiful and honestly the perfect way to wrap up our trip. We are leaving with full hearts, amazing memories, and so much gratitude. Thank you for coming along with us. If you enjoyed this series, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, aloha!